Hey guys, MJ23 Bama coming to you. I just want to shoot a little quick video. A lot of people are always asking me, how hard is it to clean your Husky liners? Well, this is before. I haven't touched it. It's springtime, you know, a winter in the New England, Northeast, and Massachusetts, so you can see enough dirt's collected. This is the passenger. But so you guys can see how easy it is to clean your Husky mats. Spray them off. Boom. And there you go. You may want to add a little detergent to get a little better if you want, but overall that's about how good they come. I've had these Husky liners for about 3 years. I'm thoroughly happy. You know, American made. I'm glad I'm supporting an American company. So very good product. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll be getting some more videos out to you guys.